In Jamaica, we just say the onion broke him neck. So this is ready to harvest as well because the neck is flopsy. Guys, look at my onions. This is a dream. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at this one, guys. This one called Twinny. This is the one I got from the compost pile, guys. This is amazing, guys. This is very good. I am so chuffed, and I hope I inspired you guys to all start acting and start planting what you love to eat. So my onion heads have flopped over, and I think this is the time that you will harvest your onions. This is a shallot. I planted onions, big onions in here, and also shallow onions. I came out in the garden and this just came up. If you notice down here in the bed, you've got another neck. In Jamaica, we just say the onion broke him neck. So this is ready to harvest as well because the neck is flopsy. It's so soft in here. There's no way this is gonna like grow any bigger. Highway trees. Anyways, this onion has flopped its neck over, and as I was saying, in Jamaica we said the onion broke in neck. So I'm gonna actually just take this up. Look how easy this come off. Guys, look at my onions. This is a dream. Oh my goodness. I'm in a happy place right now. Look at my onion. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put it right here. Hi blissful everyone, it's your girl Nix and welcome to our garden. Today we're going to be harvesting our onions. I came out this morning and I realized that the onions are ready to harvest. So I'm going to walk through with you in this video, step-by-step guide, how to know if your onions are ready and what do you do when your onions are ready. Alright, come over, come see. This morning I had the privilege of harvesting an onion. This is the onion I took up out of the bed this morning, and if you notice what I said when I was harvesting the onion, this bit is the neck of the onion, the whole entire thing. In Jamaica they say when the onion is ready to harvest, neck broke. So when this is broken or is bent over or flopped over, that's when the onion is ready to harvest. Look at the size of my onion, guys. This is amazing. This is my first ever time harvesting onions like this from my garden. I've left them for years and years and they keep on, turning into a bulb and going back down, turning into a bulb, and I've never harvested them before. So this is the first time me harvesting my onion. So we've got a big onion here. We also got a shallot because I planted two different types of onion. Normal onion and shallot looking onions, alright? So this is two onions that I've harvested from the garden. Let me bring you over closer for you to see what's going on in the bed. Right, I don't know if you can see clearly, but this is another onion. This onion is not ready to be harvested yet because the neck is still straight, erected, and it's still strong. It's hard, it's not soft. So this onion is not ready to harvest. This onion is not ready to harvest either. So what you're going to do, you're going to check the onions to make sure that they're ready to harvest by noticing the neck. If you notice the neck of the onion and it is still firm, your onion is not ready to be harvested. This is an onion that broke off. Let me take him up and show you. This onion has no neck and it was going to grow back again. It was going to sprout back into a onion. Basically, it was just going to do the process over again. So this onion should have been harvested a few weeks ago or a few days ago, because you see it's got a tip which it wants to grow back. So I can always put this down for it to grow back for next year. All right, let's put this to the side. Let's move over a bit more. Do you see any onions that look like they need harvesting? What about this one? You're gonna loosen up the soil around the onion itself. Feel that the neck is soft. It is. And then you're just gonna pick it out. Look at that. Easily come out. And this is a shallot. And if you notice, the necks have been broken for a while and they're growing again. So I think I'm late with some of the harvesting of the onions. Let's go through and have a look. Okay, let's see if there's any more onions in here. This one, the neck is gone as well. So I'm gonna take this one out. Look at that, soft. Yeah, I'm gonna put him here. I'm gonna search through again. This one, the neck is very soft. The reason why it hasn't flopped over is because of the onion in front of it. It's stopping it from flopping over. But you can tell the neck is very soft. So we're gonna take this one up as well. Okay. We're just gonna go around looking. This one, the neck has flopped over. Look how big that is. So we're just gonna remove that onion as well. Ah, look how big my onions are. Oh my word. Ah, I'm loving it. This one, the neck is firm. The neck is firm. A couple more days and I can take these ones out. Okay, let's go over a little bit more in the bed. So around here, we've got some onions flopped over. This is the red onion and the neck has been broken. I'm gonna pop that one there. These ones are relatively smaller. Oh look guys, these onions are my favorite. The red ones are my absolute favorite onions ever. Look at this one. This one has grown and started to grow back again. So because this is my first time planting, you know, onions this way, I'm gonna make sure I gain the knowledge from what I've, you know, done this year. Look at that. They were ready to come out, guys. They were so ready to come out, but I did not notice the signs. Look at this one. This one neck broke a long time. Probably I planted them too deep. So this year, and in this year I won't be doing that. See this one here. Look guys. Oh, this is amazing. This is so good for me. All right, let's see if there's any more over here. Okay, yep, look. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. So this is how you know if your onions are ready. You will see the signs. The neck has bent over and the foliage is no longer looking vibrant and healthy. All right. Guys, this is amazing. See another one here. Look. So I'm not going to take the dirt off it. I'm just going to leave them like they are. They're going to dry off themselves and then we can talk about storing our onions. All right. This is amazing. Got some more over here. Planted loads of onions, guys. Come on. That's why you need to loosen up the dirt around them. Got some odd looking shape onions. And the method that I use with the nasturtium for, you know, adding moisture retention to the soil, it helps the onions to grow nicely and still retain moisture in the soil. Let's see this one. This one was ready to go back into onions. This is a scape and I didn't take the scape off enough. And then you remember the video I did? If you don't take the scape off the onions, what's gonna happen? You see that? Primary example, yeah? Of what will happen when your scapes are still connected to the onions. Look at the size of this one to this one, you know? And it's hard. Right here is hard. You hear that? That's like a scape. So you'd have to remove this when you see this earlier in the year. I think I missed this one. So yeah. But anyways, I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. just gonna search through a little bit more. Okay, there's one more left over here. Let me just loosen up the soil a bit and pull him out. There you go. Look at that. And because it rained the other day as well, that's why I didn't come out to harvest them. Because it rained and I didn't want to harvest them when the soil was wet. Righty. Okay, let me see. We've got these two left. And this one here. This one here broke him neck, so I'm going to take this one off. Oh my God. So now that I'm thinking about it, I think I bought mostly shallot onions. I think I did. But anyways, they're looking good. What about this one? Yikes. So some of the things you need to look for when harvesting your onion, guys, is how the onion is looking. Right? A little teeny one. How the onion is looking in the bed. Look at this one. This one's not ready yet because the net no flop over yet, but that's a good size one. Okay. Right. So we've got this little one left here, so guys. Him net no broke yet, so I'm gonna leave him until him broke him neck. Right? So this is how the bed's looking at the moment. Let me see this one. This one was, oh my God, look at this one, guys. This one called Twinny. This is the one I got from the compost pile, guys. I don't know if you remember when I got this from the compost pile and I planted it right here. So look at that. We've got two onions, Mr. and Mrs. Twinny. So we're gonna pile them up there. So look at that, guys. For just planting onions. Look. This is so much. This is what you can do in your garden if you just focus and allow yourself to actually, you know, do what you're supposed to do. Some tiny little teeny ones this. But yeah, look, I've harvested my onions. I've only got like 3 onions left now. Let me see this one. Oh, not even 3. Look how big this one is. The onions tend to shock me when they come out of the ground. You know what? I've seen a lot of videos with the onions growing on top of the ground, and I can't wait to have that success, you know? Onions growing on top of the ground. But hey, this one's flopped his neck as well. Let me see this one. Oh my God, look at that. He broke his neck a long time. Oh, it looked like the onion the plant upside down. Watcha. That's a nice one as well. Some cabbages. I plant cabbage there, so, and one here, so as well. So we'll see. Yeah, this not ready yet. Him not ready yet, so I'm gonna leave him. But there you have it, guys. Me harvesting my onions. Onions. These are scallions. These are not onions. So I'll leave those there. So what about this one here? So let me see. Right, this is another one that I didn't get in time. It had a scape on it and I didn't get it in time. See, it's hard, so it took all the energy away from the bulb. So this is a typical example of why you need to take your scapes off before they actually, you know, steal all the energy from the bulb, and you won't get anything when you harvest it. All right, so remember to remove your scapes when you see them and remove them thoroughly, because if you leave a little bit, it's going to grow back. So small, isn't it? We don't want those, do we? Right. So let's see how much onions we've harvested today. Look, guys, this is all the onions I harvested today. Look. And if I didn't plant them, would I be able to harvest so much? I am so happy right now. This is what you call success. Come on, have a look, guys. Look. I've got white onions and I've got red onions. These onions are my favorite. The pack that I bought was small onions like this. So I'm going to keep a few of these and I'm going to plant them back for October this year and see how they come back. All right. But look at my onions. Look how big. Look at this one. This one's massive. Oh my God. This is proper success. Now I know what to do next year. And I know exactly how to get them bigger as well. I know how to get them bigger than this next year, guys. So yeah, this is how you harvest your onions. So once you harvest your onions, you're gonna make sure that the onions are cured in a ventilated area, 2 to 3 weeks. Trim the tops of the onions and store them in a cool, dry, well ventilated area. And if I properly store them, they will last for months. All right, they probably won't last a year, but they will last several months. But I have to make sure that, you know, I store them in a cool, dry, ventilated area. And I will always have fresh onions to cook with. And there you have it, guys. Harvesting onion is a rewarding experience, because I'm telling you, I feel so good to know that I got the onions from my garden and I can, you know, full joy the yield of my harvest. And I can also make delicious foods with it. I really hope you full enjoy this video, guys, and I've inspired you to plant your onions today. Don't forget, plant what you love to eat, grow what you love to yam. Yeah, and thank you for watching. Happy harvesting. I'm gonna do the happy dance. 1, 2, 3, because I'm Mr. Twinny. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 red onions with this one with the scape, make it 12. All right, so that's 12 red onions. Let's count the white onions now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then these 2 teeny little ones, 13 and 14. This is amazing, guys. This is very good. I am so chuffed, and I hope I inspired you guys to all start acting and start planting what you love to eat. Guys, I just went into my greenhouse and I found this. So I'm gonna put the onions in, and this is how I'm gonna store the onions in the back of the room. Common sense is common. So I'm just gonna go around doing this, guys, and then I can store my onions, give them a little bit of space. Push this through like so, gentle with it, because the necks are very, you know, soft and delicate, so you don't want to over forcing them through. Okay, take this one out and move him to this space here. So push him in, there we go, perfect. And then we can store our onions like this. All right, I'll come back when I finish. So there you have it, guys. I've put my onions on my little rack, and I'm gonna put it in the back room, and this is gonna be stored for 2 to 3 weeks, so I can actually show you how it looks after. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. So this is how we're looking in my, you know, storage room, where I dry all my herbs and all my garlics. This is where I keep all my herbs, in the back room, which is so cool. This is so cool. Look at my onions, guys. This is where I'm going to dry my onions, in the back room where I have all my herbs, and I've got the garlic drying. This room is very cool, very aerated. Look at my little tray. I got this rack from the greenhouse. So the ledge, you know, the ledge and the trays in the greenhouse to keep all your plants on. I just decided like I need to find something that's got like holes. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that they put it in holes like this, and I was like, please just let me find something like that. I went into the greenhouse and look, I just borrowed one of them, and then I put some strings. This is where I'll keep my garlic. So I had 3 nails at the above because I was expecting to harvest more garlic. So anyways, this is where they're drying really nice, and you can tell they're drying really nice around here. No mold or anything. This room is very aerated, very ventilated, and it's cool. We don't have no heating system around this room. So this is where I dry most of my herbs and my you know, garden stuff. This is where I keep most of my gardening stuff as well. So this is my onions I've got. Let us count how much we harvested today, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 white onions, all right? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 red ones. This is amazing. I probably lost 2 outside because they don't have any the tops, they don't have any heads to wrap around, so they're probably outside. So that's 10 red and 12 white, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's 22 onions in my garden, from my garden. This is amazing. This won't last me for the whole entire year. Last me probably for a few weeks. But what I'm trying to say to you is plant it. Just plant it. I planted these bulbs in November, ending of October, November. And by July, I can harvest. I've already harvested my garlics. And it's now July the 18th, the 19th. One of them. And I've harvested my onions, and they wanted to be harvested ages ago because the heads, the net, they broke a long time. But me never realized, and we were getting a lot of rain, so I didn't want to harvest them while they were, you know, waterlogged. So this is a best way. This is the best way to harvest my onions. So I'm going to leave them here for around 2 to 3 weeks, let them cure, and then after curing, I'm going to take these tops off and start using them. Okie dokie. And while we leave them for 2 to 3 weeks, because it's gonna enhance the flavor, it's gonna be more mature, it's gonna develop into nice flavorsome onions. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to cook with these. The garlics are delicious. I even use the garlic in some herbal remedy for, you know, like if you've got issues in the body. The garlic is amazing because they're organic. It just tends to, I don't know, it's a mind over matter thing, but it works. It works better to me. So yes, this is what I wanted to show you. The back room smells of onion and garlic. It smells like I'm cooking. Guys, don't forget to leave us a little comment, subscribe to our channel, and come back for more. Please turn on your notification bell. If you don't turn that on, you won't know that I have released a new video. All right, highly blissfulness, everybody. It's your girl Nix, and we are out. Oh, this is amazing. Plant what you love to eat, guys, and grow what you love to plant. See you soon. Wow, I can't believe somebody gets so much onions out of one little raised bed. Next year, for a fact, I'm gonna, you know, designate 2 raised beds just for onions and garlic. I want to have loads of garlic. Can't wait to cook with them. Deliciosa. Woo.
Baby, you get me midnight. You whip up my appetite.